In our case, our team has already started tagging new assets in Atlan with the confidential tag, and we need to push all of these tags back to Snowflake. We can easily get Snowflake in sync with the updates made in Atlan by creating a new playbook. We go to the governance section again and go to the Playbooks page. Here, we click on the Create New button to create a new playbook to push our confidential tags to Snowflake. For the name, we put in one-time push to Snowflake for confidential tag and click Create. In the filters, we put tag as our selection and select our confidential tag for the as one of. Next, for the action, we select tag and add. For the selection, we actually select confidential again and click the Edit button. Here, we keep the propagation set to none. However, we check the box next to the Snowflake reverse sync, as it is enabled. While we are not actually adding any new tags to our assets, we are triggering the system to push to Snowflake all the confidential tagged assets so that they now align with Atlan. Clicking Next will give us the Run options, and we select Run Once so that the sync happens right away. The push to Snowflake will occur in Playbooks whether or not the asset already has the tag when the action is add or replace and the reverse sync checkbox is selected. Now that we have synced Atlan and Snowflake completely, let's get to how to actually apply the tag to new assets through the UI and how to push to Snowflake.